It's recording now.
Okay, I'm ready to put in the first part of this inlay. So right here, I have my main heddle in neutral, and then I've got a pickup stick back here. Can you see those, Eli?
Yep.
And so it's making a little mini shed for these 5 areas. So I've got my 30-inch lengths of yarn cut here, and I'm just gonna wrap one around the edge of that selvage thread, just in the little mini shed. And then double the yarn, and then put it through the shed like this. In this particular row, I just have 2 of these little blocks of colors. I'm gonna put the other one in right here. Okay, now I'm just gonna beat that into place. And then I need to do a pick of my main color, this navy. So I'm ready for the down. Okay, now I'm ready to do the inlay again. So I'm gonna go back to neutral with the main heddle and the pickup stick. And in this case, I need to wrap around that. There are 6 threads in each of these sheds, and I need to go around the outside one just so that it will stay. So I'm going over the first one and under the other 5. And then beat. And now I'm ready for an up pick in the main color. Okay, now I'm ready for the inlay again, so back to neutral, pickup stick. This time I don't need to wrap around that selvage thread, I just go under that little bundle of 6 in my mini shed, which I know is hard to see with this dark yarn. We proceed like that. Thank you, Eli.
Mm-hmm.